Hi, welcome back to my channel, Shanette for Life. If this is your first time here, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and make sure you tap that notification bell to be notified of all of my new uploads. Let's go ahead and let's get started. The ingredients that I'm going to be using today are going to be strawberries, blueberries. If anybody knows me, I always use bananas in my smoothies. I'm going to use some grounded flax seeds, some almond milk, and I also have my organics, the baby spinach. I'm going to start by using at least a cup of almond milk. I never use a measuring cup, I usually guess, but sometimes in the end I have to add more, but we will see. Then I'm going to be adding my spinach. It's been pre-washed already, and I'm going to be using 3 handfuls of that. I love spinach, but you can use, any greens of your choice. It's totally up to you. Then I'm going to be using my grounded flax seeds. Is good with fiber and omega-3. And I'm going to be using 2 tablespoons of that, and then I'm going to be blending that together first. 1, 2. Gotta make sure that it fits snug, otherwise it won't blend correctly. Now, at this point, I'm going to add in all of my fruit. And at this point, I'm going to blend, and just make sure that all the ingredients are blended well, because I usually use frozen fruits, and I just want to make sure that everything blends correctly or properly and not leave any chunks, because I've done that before. I like my smoothies to be really thick, but I don't like the chunkiness. So I gotta make sure it's blended up pretty good. I'm going to be adding some more almond milk. Like I said before, I usually have to do this at the end, but I do like my smoothies to be really, thick consistency, because I like that ice creamy-ish type smoothies. So I'm just going to add some more almond milk, and then I'm going to blend that again, and it should be at the right consistency. Now it's just like I like it. I'm going to be pouring it in a glass mason jar. Yummy. I'm going to be showing my weight at the end of this clip, so stay tuned. I am down 0.4 pounds this week.